Now that we've already signed up for a DigitalOcean account, we're going to go ahead and log in. Once we log in, you'll see my sign-in page there. We're going to go ahead and create a droplet. A cloud droplet is basically just an area of space that we're renting to place our DVS-100 server application on. We're going to go ahead and create our server image, which is Ubuntu 14.04.4, and it's a 64-bit selection. And then the next thing after that is we're going to select our plan, which in this case is the $5 a month plan. And then we're going to select our nearest regional data center, which in this case it's San Francisco. Go ahead and name our host name for the server. In this case, we're going to type DVS-100 SFO1. And we're going to click the Create button. Now you're going to see that it's slowly loading the droplet, which means that the server is basically creating an area for us to install the DVS-100 software into. So now that we've clicked at that, we're going to go into the console. Scroll down a little bit. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and log into the root of the server. So the default is usually root. And then we're going to enter the password, which is not shown, and it won't be shown when you actually go to implement it yourself. This is actually the password that was provided via email when you signed up for your droplet. So now we're going to enter the same password that was provided by DigitalOcean one more time, which is actually a temporary password. You won't see it on the screen. And now we're going to enter our new password, which is the password that we prefer. Make sure it's a good quality password, not 123. And we're going to go ahead and retype it one more time. And you'll see in both cases it doesn't show the password. Now that we've logged into the system, I'm going to scroll it down a little bit. Now we're going to start entering the commands to actually deploy the DVS-100 software. First, you're going to see that I'm going to hit the Enter key to advance down one line. It's not necessary, but in this case I just went ahead and did it just to clear it. So we're going to type in wget http://updates.datavideo.co.uk. We're going to put a /dvss.sh. We're going to go ahead and hit the Enter key. And then you're going to see that the page will advance a little bit. And I've went ahead and hit the Enter key. And we're going to enter bash.dvss.sh. And you're going to see it advance. It's going to start deploying the installation of the DVS-100. And at the end, we're going to be looking for the information that appeared right at the bottom edge where it says Data Video Stream Server Install Complete. And now that we have that message, we know that it's been deployed on the server. Now that the installation is complete, we're going to go ahead and select our public IP address. You'll see it listed here. We're going to go ahead and highlight it. We're going to copy it, and we're going to open up a new tab in our browser window. I already copied the IP address of our DVS-100 server, which you'll see at the very top. Now we're going to go ahead and log in. The default login username is admin. And then we're going to go down to password, which password is actually the numeral 0 6 times. Go ahead and enter that, and we're going to go ahead and click login. Get rid of this. And now what you're going to see is the user interface for the DVS-100. I'm showing you here the channels, the stats, the users, and basically the last selection is logout. So we're going to go ahead and create a new channel. So I'll go ahead and wipe out this default channel name. And I'm going to type in DVS-100. And we're going to go ahead and save the channel. Now as soon as I save the channel, you're going to see that there's actually a stream key that's generated. Now that we have our channel set up, you will see that we have a stream key along with an RTMP URL with the stream key and an HLS URL. Depending on your application, you can choose to use either protocol. The NVS25 and the NVD20 will utilize these URLs to set up a basic point-to-point. If you need more advanced features such as embedded linking and an embedded player, you may want to opt to upgrade to the DVS-100P. This concludes the video tutorial for the DVS-100 software. If you should need further assistance, please contact Data Video Support.